Okay, guys, today we're going to be stacking up pyramids. My roomie's over here. Hello, look and smile. Yes, so she's going to be stacking up. She's going to take this one first, and I'll be taking this one first. Okay, roomie, on you mark. Just set, go, 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 go. Start stacking. Start stacking. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yo, 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 we're going to, oh, look at roomie. She's winning. Oh, I don't want to be the loser. Come on, please. Let me win. Oh, sorry, the camera went a little crazy. Oh, my God. How she's even beating me. Come on, put the first alert. Let's get up. Oh, my God, I lost mine. Oh, my God. Who will be the winner? Oh, look at Romy. That smoke alarm might fall down. Taking that one. That's my favorite. Haha, I steal this one.
What your favorite is?
Take a zombie peek, man. Tell it to be quiet.
Good.
Mine is being the winner. I'm beating yours, Romy. Haha. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I gotta put this on really carefully, so let me put the camera down. Oh my God, that is really high up. It's gonna probably fall and cause a big accident. Pick it up.
Quiet. Alarm.
No, there's no
You
fire.
gotta be quiet.
No, it's just a leak.
See? Pretty noisy.
My so breathing.
Stop breathing.
It's okay, leave it alone.
Oh. Okay. Here you go.
Okay.
Don't shake it.
Look at that. Let's show the first one. This
Okay.
is mine. Let's do 3D.
I'm taller than yours. Okay.
Boom.
Make
3D of yours.
You gotta build it more.
Yay. Bye, guys.